Check out this pre-owned 2012 Ford Mustang GT Premium. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 36,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition, has glossy original paint, has no scratches, dents, or rust, and has been fully detailed. It has never been smoked in, was garage kept, has had all scheduled maintenance completed, and has been inspected by the dealer. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger. Shop by confidence. We have a biggest selection of used trucks for sale. Just check out our website on the Get Pre-Approved tab and get approved in 5 minutes. We also offer rates as low as 3.19% on approved credit, and can take all vehicles, paid for or not, on trade. Value your trade-in. More questions? Just call or text us at 281-377-9444.